Hi, I've just come in the salon today to do a little video of how to remove your hair system. If you're one of my hair loss clients and you need to remove your hair system because it's got too wobbly or it's getting too matted underneath, please listen to the following advice. And if you've got help, then great, because you will need help getting a hair system off. If your hair system is taped down at the front, you will be able to leave it a little bit longer than if your hair is obviously sewn at the front. Now, when I sew the front of a hair system on, I use really fine thread called invisible thread. So you need to get some scissors or these cutters. These are actually called vankers on eBay or Amazon that you can get hold of. And you just go in gently and just remove the thread at the front first, okay? Then you'll see that I've attached it at the front with rings, little tiny nano rings. You'll need a pair of pliers, okay? Anything like this is great, and you can buy this on eBay, Amazon, and you just squeeze the ring the opposite way and slide it down. Please don't rip it out or force the ring in any way, because you are at risk of ruining your hair. Obviously, if it's taped down at the front, then great, you don't need to do this. If you are removing your system, you then need to get all the rings that I've put around the sides and the back of the scalp. They should be in rows, and I would have used micro rings for this. Please try not to cut through none of the sewing that's been done, because you are at risk of ruining your hair system. It might fall to bits. I should be able to repair it, but really, when you're removing the front or anything around the sides, do not use any, do not get close to the thread with these cutters or scissors. So what you might need is a load of clips like this and sectioning clips, just to basically section each layer of hair out the way first before removing the rings. So if you're a regular customer of mine, you would have seen that I lift up the parting first and I clip that up. Then underneath the parting, there's a row of rings. You then need to get your pliers and just squeeze the rings the opposite way and slide them down. Again, you are at risk of ruining your hair if you do not slide them out gently. Don't force the rings or pull them out. If they're not coming out, you just haven't squeezed hard enough the other way. So just squeeze the rings and slide it down. You need to do this through every section of hair through the mesh. You then, when you come down to the bottom, there might be some matting where it's not been dried properly, and the hair will mat up underneath if you do leave it a long time. So just lift the mesh gently and start combing underneath. You will need somebody to do this for you. So hopefully you have got somebody at home who can do this for you. And just comb the hair out from the mesh. So lift the mesh, lift your system up and just comb out the hair that's been pulled through the mesh. As you get to the top, the whole system then should just come off as one. Some systems come off a lot easier than others. Obviously, if you haven't dried it properly or there's a lot of matting underneath, this might be quite time consuming and it might hurt a little bit. But hopefully you've got someone there who can do it gently for you. If they want any further advice after filming this video, just please get in contact with me on my mobile. I'm available for FaceTime. My number's 07989 972 734, and I can guide you further on what to do. Or message me, email me, however you can get hold of me on social media, and I'll do my best to help you. And then just to let you know that as soon as we're back open, I'll be in contact with all my hair loss clients first. They are my utmost priority, and we'll get you all back in to get your systems back on, okay? But I'm really sorry this has had to happen. It's circumstances obviously beyond our control. Hopefully we'll never have to go through anything like this again. And I look forward to seeing you all on the other side. Thanks, bye.